This is the story of the vacuum cleaner salesman from Up and Down. Down on the spooky side of town, Mr. Noisy to find out that the scaries mansion. Boing, boing. You rang, Mr. Noisy. Hello, Mr. Wells. Isn't a scary home? I have been going door to door with an incredible offer. Yes, but she's unfortunately busy upstairs feeding her beds. Well, she could. And then they must be washed and dry. Of course. But who is it down there? 1 minute. Wayne? Oh, here we go. Wayne. Well, who is it? Well, let's see. Down we go. Boing, boing. What is it you want? I am going door, door, selling. Oh, 1 moment. Boing, boing. I go up the stairs, please. Why would I the door? This place is loaded with doors, solid with no face. Down, go. Boy, boy. Thank you, but she doesn't need a door. No, I am going door, door, selling this vacuum. Vacuum? Yes. I got it. Boing, boing. Hey, what a day. Up the stairs. What do you say? Hey, what is he saying that my house stirred? Tell him to go vacuum his house. There we go. Boing. She says. So, I don't want to vacuum her house. I want to sell her a vacuum. And what's more, she doesn't have to come downstairs. Because Mr. Noisy's super noisy vacuum cleaner can be heard in every part of the house. Hey, you're scaring my bats. What's all the racket down there? That was scary. Was Mr. Noisy, super noisy vacuum cleaner, the noisiest vacuum you can buy. I here to sell you. I am here to sell you this fine product. Well, why didn't anyone say so? I always come downstairs for salesmen. I always come downstairs to scare salesmen.